Hey, it's Hippie from HH Racing Bad Back and Knees Club. At the car wash, cleaning up from yesterday. Got all the intakes taped off and sealed up, and gonna give this thing a little rinse down before we put them up for a while. We've got a couple other things working before our next mini bike race. But man, back to that bad back and knees thing. You can see how the trailer loads. And we've got a ramp board that'll go right up, and we can roll them right off the trailer into the truck so that nobody's got to lift anything. And of course, gate on the trailer. And you know, when we get out to clean them, we just leave them in the truck just like that. Leave them on the trailer. Red drains right through the trailer. And I know this isn't the this isn't the most high-tech video I've ever shot or anything. Not that I do those a lot anyway. But the reality is, man, is here I am, this crippled old dude on a cold February day, out here washing these bikes by myself. And, hey, man, this is how I do it. And I used to have a pressure washer at the house, but it bit to dust. And I will be buying another one, so I don't have to do this anymore. But, man, priorities, got to do what you got to do first. Anyway, man, this is Hippie checking out to power wash some bikes.